property by lister. The journey begins when a property owner adds a new property on Setnest. As soon as they begin entering details, the property appears in the unpublished section. These are shown with a yellow unpublished tag, indicating the property is not yet visible to tenants. Publish listing by lister. Once all required details are filled, the lister proceeds to publish. If they have an active subscription, the property moves from unpublished to listed. The yellow unpublished tag is replaced with a green published tag. The property is now visible in search results for prospective tenants. Search and request to rent for tenant. Tenants can find this property in their search results or under favorites. Once interested, they send a request to rent. Advance paid, draft contract stage for both. After the advance is paid, the property's status for the lister changes to draft contract, marked with a grey tag. The property is removed from search results and no longer visible to other tenants. For the tenant, the property now appears in the draft contract section, ready for the rental agreement process. Contract signed, rented state for both. Once both the lister and tenant sign the agreement, the property moves to the rented state. For listers, this is highlighted with a blue rented tag. For tenants, the property appears in the rented section. Notice period for both. During the tenancy, either party can initiate a notice. Once the notice is accepted, the property's status is updated to in notice, highlighted in red for both lister and tenant views. For listers, the property also reappears under the unpublished section, ready to be edited and relisted for new prospective tenants. However, the next available by date can only be set after the current contract's end date. Contract completed for both. For tenants, once the rental term ends or the notice period is completed, the property moves to the contract history section. Even for the lister, the completed contract is available in the contracted history.